Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to science class. Today we are going to learn chapter 6 about making sounds. What are we going to learn here? You will learn to identify sources of sound. The second is recognize that we hear sounds when they enter our ears. And the third, recognize that as a sound moves away from its source, it gets softer. Now, let's take a look at this picture. What are possible sounds that we can hear in this situation? Yes, we can hear the bird chirping, leaves rustling. We can hear dad snoring. We also can hear waves splashing, moms talking, and we also can hear children laughing. And now, can you mention other sounds that we can hear in this situation? Yes, you are wonderful, my students. We also can hear the winds blowing. To sum up, there are at least 7 different sounds that we can hear in this situation. Well, students, that's all for now. See you. Goodbye.